Hello everyone, I'm Leonard from the Kuantan Animal Rescue and Education. We started this shelter in 2014 and we are located in Taman Datuk Rashid, Kuantan, Pahang. The reason why we started this shelter are number one, to provide a better living environment for those stray dogs and those which has been abused. Second, to educate and provide information to the general public on how to take care of their dog's well-being. For example, neutering, grooming, and vaccinations. Third, to promote adoptions. Please adopt and don't buy. For those who are interested in adopting a dog, can always call us to fix an appointment with us. At the moment, we have about 450 plus dogs of different sizes and age group in the care of our shelter. We need about RM 20,000 to keep our shelter afloat every month. And this is really a heavy burden on the shoulder for our organization. As our organization is a NGO, we operate through the fund that we gather from donations. But sadly to say, the amount of donations which comes in from the public has dropped since the beginning of MCO. The breakdown of the 20,000 mainly consists of the salary for the 3 full-time staff, utility bills, upkeeping of the shelter, food and medication for the furry kids. Last but not least, I would like to say thank you in advance for your contribution. You have no idea how much it means to our organization to have your support. Thank you.